In this video, we will be creating corridors from Civil3D using AutoBRIDGE step by step. Before we delve into creating corridors, let's make sure we've covered two crucial points. Firstly, ensure your Civil3D file is active and ready. Secondly, confirm that your Revit file shares the same coordinates as the Civil3D file. For a detailed workflow, refer to the Shared Coordinates video in the description below. Now, let's explore the corridor settings in AutoBRIDGE within Civil3D. Click on the Civil3D button to reveal three tabs. The Alignment tab allows you to select alignment and profile information from the active Civil3D file. The Families tab lets you choose the Structure section. Lastly, the Chainages tab is for specifying corridor stations. Moving forward, select the alignment and profile information. Here you'll find the document name. Choose the Civil3D file name, the alignment name, and the profile name. You'll see the elevation and top preview of the 3D alignment and profile. Next, in the Families tab, choose the desired section for your corridor. You'll find some standard nested families. You can select one of them or add any nested family you want using the Family Manager, as detailed in Family Manager video in the description below. In this section, you'll find the subcategory Solid and subcategory Void. Solid for creating solid units and Void for defining areas to be voided within the section. Ensure you define them correctly using the tag name and color. In the variation parameters, you'll find options for controlling vertical, horizontal, and superelevation variations. More details on these can be found in the variation video in the description. Proceed to the Chainages tab to specify start and end stations for each corridor. Here, you'll find the start and end stations. Here, you'll find the expansion joint start and end. Frequency spacing refers to the distance between sections within corridors. A smaller spacing indicates a higher frequency of control points, resulting in increased accuracy of the corridor. However, it's important to note that this can impact the project file size. You can utilize the autofill option for added convenience. Let's see it in action. I'll begin by adding the initial station, then input a few rows, and conclude with example end stations. Watch as it automatically fills in the remaining sections, providing a seamless experience. Now, let's open the Civil3D file to determine corridor division points. Identify the starting and ending points for the first corridor. Then, from the end of first corridor to the abutment location, divide them accordingly. Let's add this information in AutoBRIDGE. After setting up all necessary information, observe the 3D view in AutoBRIDGE. Then initiate the corridor creation process by pressing Run. As you can see, with each row's completion, the corridor is meticulously created one by one. Upon completion, save the corridor information for future reference. Exit AutoBRIDGE and review the created corridors. You can easily customize parameters such as width, height, and superelevation using the Family Parameter option. Additionally, don't forget about the variation parameters, which allow you to control the variables of parameters along the corridor, ensuring precise adjustments to suit your project's needs. Be sure to check out the variation parameters video for more details. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials, and make sure not to overlook any important steps. Until next time, take care and goodbye.